Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. So this episode is pretty, there's a lot of contrast because we started filming the day that it was very windy, and then we had a nice normal and fancy keto dinner with a nice new recipe, so I'll show you that. And then we lost power, and so now we're out here. We had to leave our house because the smoke from the Eaton fire is on our house, and our house lost power. So we'll show you last night where we lost power, and I'll show you right now where we're at. We're in Claremont.
You can see the wind knock down trees.
Yes.
He actually had a lot of fun today. So I'll show you this video. Let's go. It's very windy this morning.
Carnivore pancakes.
Carnivore pancakes.
You mix, we're making enough for 6 pancakes, 6 egg yolks. You separate the yolks from the egg whites, 2 separate bowls. Then you mix, we're mixing some grass-fed gelatin powder in one of the bowls with the egg whites. And then with the 6 yolks you mix, we're mixing collagen peptide powder, organic, and comes out looking like just like
Looks like pancake batter to me.
Mm-hmm.
So it might taste pretty good, and we'll finally be able to eat pancakes.
We'll see.
Oh.
Make the first pancake. Let's see.
Look, John Paul.
Daddy's gonna make the first pancake.
For 8 minutes.
Like a regular pancake.
This part.
Why?
Not too high. Cooking it for
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Cover it up. For the first few, look at that.
Oh, they look like real pancakes.
Look at that.
Yeah, they smell good.
They smell good.
They smell like eggs a lot.
Yeah, I know. But don't say anything.
Okay.
Because you could put plenty of butter on them, you know.
I'm gonna put honey on mine.
You want butter on yours, Amy?
Yummy. The first carnivore
Who
pancakes.
wants butter on theirs? Amy, you want butter?
I want more butter.
Alright, put butter on it.
Are they good? Did you try it yet?
I did.
Do you like it?
Try it here. Just try it out. Let's see.
We gained a food.
Mm-hmm.
We gained a food for John Paul.
Yes, very good.
Very good. You like it? Let me try it.
It's definitely doable. Try it a piece. Try that. Little butter on it. Mm-hmm. Nice.
That's a good pancake. It's a good pancake.
It's good.
We all gained a food, I think.
Yeah, I think we can make these
Mhm.
more frequently, definitely.
Good job, man.
Yeah, new recipe.
So what's in it?
It's got 6 egg yolks and 6 egg whites. And they're mixed with, the yolks are mixed with the collagen, and the egg whites are mixed with the gelatin,
All right.
powdered gelatin.
And then just cook them like.
Cook them like regular
Regular
pancakes for
pancakes.
8 minutes.
Good job. Delicious. All right, let's eat.
Wow, that came out looking pretty
It
good.
looks beautiful. I love it, and it tastes delicious.
Carnivore.
Carnivore,
Pancakes.
completely carnivore pancakes.
Pancake. Carnivore.
No carbs.
Carnivore pancakes.
Anyone wants it.
Yeah.
Wow, it's really windy. Oh, he's outside. Oh my gosh.
Give her what's going on.
Power cut.
Amy Rose, it's a power cut.
Where are you?
I can't find
Where's
you.
Amy?
I can't see anything.
Here, here's the flashlight.
Oh, there she is.
Here's the flashlight. Give it to
I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Okay.
Now we get to do
Baby Rose, the the power is out. And we don't know when it's coming back. Let's light some candles. Oh my goodness. It is a power cut. That means there is no electricity.
And now
That's from Peppa Pig.
And now we get to
Oh my goodness.
Now we get the plastic.
Well, I'm glad you're having fun with it.
You gotta turn on the flashlight, candles.
This is how it was in the olden days.
Don't worry, Amy. The light will come back. Oh, she got the phone.
Amy had a little behavior because she doesn't like the power outage. But now we're looking at photos on the phone, and so we're okay. I wonder how long this is gonna last.
John Paul's doing real well.
Yeah, he got hungry still.
I think he's
You
enjoying
want
it.
anything else, John Paul?
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, he's enjoying it.